Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study AWS Cloud Practitioner step by step. Start by setting a realistic weekly plan and block 30 to 60-minute study sessions daily. Gather official AWS materials, a practice exam, and a notebook for notes and diagrams. Prioritize hands-on labs to reinforce concepts and review IAM, billing, and core services each week. Aim for consistent review rather than cramming before the exam. Gather a small stack of high-quality resources and commit to a balanced routine. Blend concise videos, official white papers, and hands-on labs to link theory with practice. Schedule one full practice exam every 2 weeks and analyze missed questions carefully. Create flashcards for key facts like billing, IAM policies, and core service purposes. Keep sessions short and frequent to build steady retention and reduce burnout over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and keep the channel growing. Quick recommendation: Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for studying on the go, and it fits in a backpack with your laptop. Check the description for the link and other deals that can help your study routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt active study methods to make progress faster and remember more. Write one-sentence summaries for each service and explain them aloud as if teaching a friend. Use scenario practice to apply concepts like cost optimization, fault tolerance, and security controls. Schedule short review sessions for flashcards and diagrams to keep facts fresh. Celebrate small wins and adjust your plan based on practice exam trends to improve steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.